PenPal for a client here. It'll be 17 inches off the ground, so the back lip of our fastening tray is 2 inches, so we made our marks at 19 inches. Then we go ahead and open our door. We can get the PenPal in place. Grab our legs. Keep it nice and level. You can slide your sides too, so you want to, I'm lining up with this puckboard line here. Make sure the side's nice and level as well. There you have a solid mounted PenPal. Here we're just loading a PenPal with our bail buddy, so you don't have to manhandle square bales. Pop your door open on your PenPal, swing it out of the way, and just grab your bail, and it tips in there nicely. Just tips the rest of the weight of your PenPal. Just to get it to your latches. Click close. And this is about as big a bale as you're going to have in there. I leave the knots on the outside so you can just chop the strings. It's mounted solid. There you have it.